we go. You're good. Sorry about that.
We will on to the ground in the Red Lions airship. The Red Lions rocket robotics from Wisconsin, they put up a gear into the airship. Red Lions need one more gear to start their second rotor.
Good. Back up. I like they can hear me.
They're not gonna get it. Yep.
It's better than getting it in the hop.
Yeah.
A little bit over a minute remaining here in this match. Lots of fuel straight across the floor. Blue Twilight and Blue Bombers colliding with dirt in the center of the field.
The yellow one's playing defense.
And Artours from Metamora, they bring up another gear into the Red Alliance airship. That one bends and falls off, unfortunately. Under a minute remaining in this match, 2 points separating our teams. Blue Lions with 64 and Red Lions with 62.
So low.
Still
Why are you backing up already?
Flaming Monkeys out of Belvedere. Now we come down to just 30 seconds.
Go! You don't need a gear.
Lots of airships. Lots of
Oh my God.